Light always travels in a straight line. Let's have one activity. Path of light. Can anybody guess what are the materials required to conduct this experiment?
Yes, ma'am. Cardboard and torchlight.
Who would like to volunteer?
Ma'am, I have a query. Can we use candles instead of torchlights?
Not only torchlight, you can use other sources of light.
What if the light is blocked?
When the light is blocked, it creates darkness.
At our Balavikas, we believe that true learning happens when students actively engage with concepts rather than just memorizing them. Through hands-on activities, experiments, and projects and real-life applications, we encourage our students to explore, question, and understand the world around them.